Hello friends, how are you? One of my friends asked me that one Revit model is open in front of me. By physically appearance of a model, how can I come to know that it's a central model or a local model or a standalone model? So today we will discuss about this query. First of all, I welcome all my friends on my educational channel. Subscribe it and press the bell icon for latest videos. Like and share also. Okay, let's start it. One model is open in front of us. Observe the Save tool and Synchronize tool. If the Save tool is enabled and Synchronizing tool is disabled, then it's a standalone model. If the Save tool is disabled and Synchronize tool is enabled, then it's a central model. And if the Save and Synchronizing tools both are enabled, so it's a local model. I hope you understand the Revit model physical differences. For more educational videos, keep watching BIM Talks.